as most of you know, I buy most of my felts from Fepsa over in Portugal, and they very kindly send them over. I buy them probably on a monthly basis. I usually keep about 40 or 50 hats that are already made up and about 100 felts in stock, so a reasonable stock. Most of the time when somebody calls up for a custom build or to discuss one of the hats that I've got and it's not in their size, I've usually got either the same felt or one that's very, very similar. But in all the weights that they do the very lightweight, which is under sort of 110 grams, which is a very nice weight to be working with. Then there's a sort of 110 up to about 175, which is a dress weight felt. And then from 175 through to about 250, 260 grams, that's considered a Western felt. And those are usually working hats, or hats a bit like this, I suppose, which is more of a sort of a festival type, wide brim, sun type hat. Anyway, getting on to this one. This was me. I ordered a mixed bunch of felts from Fepsa. And in fact, this came over and it's like a browny, grey colour in 100% pure beaver. Now, if any of you have had a beaver hat before, you'll know how soft the material can be. This is about 160, 170 grams, I suppose. So really on the edge of a dress felt. It's just superb. I made this one for myself because I really like the colour, and there's a little thing inside of me that just said, look, treat yourself, Paul, get something that's nice. But anyway, as with all of my hats, I will sell them if anybody's interested. But this one, it's got a crown size of just under 13 centimeters, so I guess nearer 12.5 centimeters at the front, and 10.5 centimeters at the back. So it's quite a nice profile. As you can see, it rakes down from the front to the back, and a teardrop crown shape there. The actual brim itself is, I think it's about 7 centimeters. Oh, it's just under actually. It's about 6 3/4 centimeters with a 15 millimeter grosgrain, which is, it's like a bronze colour. It's a very nice colour. I like this colour at the moment. It's quite sort of autumnal and winter and so on. And then a 38 millimeter grosgrain on the brim, on the crown, sorry, with a very nice bow in the side there. Inside we've got a nice sort of matching colour lining and one of my logos. But this is just, do you know, one of those hats or one of those felts that you just want to smooth? Well, you know, beaver felt is like that, and this is just stunning, to be honest. It's just lovely. It's almost like suede. Do you know when you get a suede jacket or something and you think, oh, okay, that's a bit tasty? Very similar. Let's show you what it's going to be like on. So let's take this off for a second and pop this on. Ooh. So there we are. You can wear it with the brim down or the brim up. I must admit, I like the brim down with this. It's a bit more formal. I mean, you could wear it casually, but it's more of a formal hat, really. I'll wear it with a brown jumper or sports jacket or something. But I've made it actually to my size, which is about a size 60 and a bit, to be fair. But it just fits like a glove, and it just feels and looks, I think, lovely. Anyway, it's up for sale if anybody wants to contact me about it. But in the meantime, I'm going to wear it and enjoy it.